With Bitnamic Connect Academy, you can train your employees and customers at any time and from any location. In our clearly structured editor, you can create and manage training courses quickly and easily in the browser. When creating individual lessons, you can access existing material in the documentation hub. You assign the prepared learning content specifically to the relevant people, who then acquire the new knowledge independently. You can ensure learning success with targeted knowledge checks. This gives you an overview of your staff's level of knowledge at all times. Location-independent live training courses also allow you to demonstrate important learning content in person and without any travel time or costs. Communicate directly with participants and make use of useful functions such as the display of 3D models. All data is encrypted in compliance with the GDPR for the highest possible level of data protection. The interface can also be adapted to your company's individual design. Digitize your training and further education with Bitnamic Connect Academy.